So back out here at the Luge, and today we've got the Bronson. I'm gonna do my best to kind of talk a little bit more articulately about what I think about the Bronson. I rode that Specialized Stumpy Evo just yesterday, so it'll be interesting. Totally different trail and stuff. But yeah, anyway, we're out here. It's beautiful. The rain is coming in, so we're gonna try to get in at least one lap. That's what we're doing.
2019 Santa Cruz Bronson X01 build. What do we got? Fox 36 Float Performance Elite 160 mil up front, RockShox Super Deluxe Air RCT out back, SRAM Code RSC brakes, that SRAM X01 Eagle drivetrain. And this guy came with the optional Santa Cruz Reserve 30 carbon rim. Look at that thing. That's a nice looking bike.
Hey Adam, it's already getting cloudy.
Yeah. From Cook's Corner. All right, so you guys know the deal with the climb. I'll check back in a little bit later. All right, so before we go any further, I want to set expectations here. You're not really going to see a full review of the Bronson. We ran into some rain out there on the trail and that complicated things a bit. Also, the Luge is probably not the best trail to really test out a bike. There's definitely other trails out there or trail systems out there that are going to give you the full breadth of a bike. So just kind of want to put that out there. That being said, let's get back to it. So first little descent on the Bronson. A bit of mud. Super supple. Okay, so get a chance to check out what it does right here. Tracking really nicely. I'll go over this. Yeah, and I should say when it like flattens out, it just feels solid. It just locks up real nice. I mean, locks up in a good way, like right now. No bob, nothing. Feel like maybe compared to the Recluse that I normally ride, the rear suspension is more active on the technical stuff. I think like the Recluse seems to bounce around a little bit more when I'm pedaling up and over technical stuff. So far, not that I've done like super technical stuff on this, but so far it's all pretty supple. It's a nice combo. Kind of hungry. I know this part of mountain biking doesn't get shown as much, but I have to say, sometimes just being out in the element, doing a little bit of suffering in the outdoors where it's beautiful. For me, that's a lot of it, especially with Kelly. So we just stopped so I could get a little bit of food. Just kind of bonking, and I looked over, and it's raining just a little bit of ways from here, so we might get caught in the rain. So let's pick up the pace a little bit. Oh, there it is. Apologies if there's sprinkles on the lens. Bog. All right, here we go. Oh. Guys, there's gonna be at least water on the lens and probably mud too. I can't really see, but okay. Whoa! It's less luge, more flume today. Is that crazy or what? You have to be really careful today because I don't know, like when any given corner is going to throw at me. Okay, this thing definitely handled my mistakes. Oh my god, that was crazy. Yeah! Heck yeah. Hey Alan, hit the other button. Yeah, I didn't realize it'd be that wet.
Yeah, it was really wet.
This bike likes to be pushed. I felt like when I was a little timid, the bike didn't like that. But when I got aggressive with it, got down on it, it like preferred it.
So I definitely want to get back on this bike and take it on a few more trails, some different terrain. My initial impressions, it's a good bike. I mean, if you're looking for a good all-arounder with a little more travel, I would definitely put this on your short list. It's going to go uphill really well. It's definitely going to give you confidence on the downhills. And it's a Santa Cruz, you know, so you got that company behind you. This did have the reserve wheels, so it did seem pretty, I want to say almost stiff. And I'm always like looking at those carbon wheels, and this actually made me reconsider that.
Yeah.
Still got to try some stuff out. Haven't really come to a decision on any of that, but just a thought. Any case, hope you dug this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't so much dig it, hit the comment button. Let me know why. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Hope you dug it.
That was fun. I really like this bike. It did me right. Oh, and here comes the rain that we've been running away from. So we're gonna try to get changed real quick and not get too wet.